Hi guys, Colin Martin is my name. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you an unboxing video of my ring light. Most of us YouTubers really want to have a ring light or just a source of light, and most of us have been using natural light. If you want to go on a budget, just like me, I've always wanted to use the sun. But our house doesn't really have a lot of light coming in, so if I've always wanted to have to record a good video, I've had to like get out and get some sun, and then like always the backdrop doesn't have to the backdrop is always not coordinating with my video, so which is actually always inconveniencing me. So me and my brother put together money and we decided to actually order a ring light. So I'm gonna be showing you guys an unboxing video. I'm so excited. I actually removed the tripod before the video started, but I'm gonna be showing you what's in this, and I'm gonna be trying to put it on with you guys. So here is the ring light box. I told you I already unboxed the tripod without waiting for the video. This is the ring light here. It says the ring supplement lamp is suitable for selfies, live video streaming, etc. Blah blah blah. It has functions for full light, beauty first. Good. Okay. Don't stay fragile and all that stuff. So let's get into it. This is the 26 centimeters. I actually don't know the sizes. I just went for the cheap one. So let's open and see what's inside. So this is what it looks like on the inside. I actually not opened. This is everything. Comes in a polythene. Wow, this is good. And then there is, I think this is the actual ring light that you use to actually put your phone on. This is the phone stand, and then this is, okay, I honestly don't know what the rest of this is. So let me try and put it together and then with you guys. So I think this goes here because it's a screw. Oh my god. Is this again? Yeah. I think this goes here because it's a screw. Perfect. So that it can rotate around. This must be for the phone because a phone is supposed to go right here. So I think I'll put it in here like this. And you guys, I've never done this. I don't know how I'm even doing this. Like, wait, what? I've never done this before. This is circular stuff. I feel like it should put in here. So this is where I place your phone. Like, take your pictures and do everything. Wait, how did I know how to place this thing together? I swear. Like, it's supposed to be like this. So this is how it's going to be. This here has a ball where it can rotate. So if you want it to bend, if you want it to fall this side, just like that. Since this is everything, I'm sure this goes on top. Okay, so one thing I'm not understanding is it's supposed to come with a charger, I think, because it's supposed to be plugged into USB to work, but then this one doesn't have the head, or what I call the adapter. The adapter is not there. I don't know if all of them don't come with the adapter. And then this looks like this up here, but then it looks like this down. It looks like a screw here, so it should be screwed on, but then here this doesn't look like it should be screwed on, so it can't actually sit on this. Oh my god, it can't sit on this. This is stupid. Let me try my other tripod. Let me do my other tripod. You guys, this is my other tripod where I actually clamp my phone or my camera if I'm gonna use it. But I've also tried to put it here, and it's problematic. But then what we have found out, my brother is trying to tell me, is that this gets off because there is a black thing right here. I think you guys can see it. So this is supposed to actually get off to give way for the ring light to set off. So, oh my god, yeah, it fits perfect. So yeah, rotate this like this. Okay, I think this is good and perfect. We are good to go. Steady. It's just that one thing though. This tripod is a bit fragile, so it should handle you guys. You guys should actually handle it with care. It's not like these other tripods. This is actually so strong, looks like it cannot break when you throw it down. This on the other hand looks like it can break with a snap of a finger. So you guys, I think we should be very, very careful with it. So yeah, it works perfectly so far. Let me try to plug a phone on it. Can you borrow your phone? really quick. This one is right here, so let me try and plug a phone onto this and see if it's still stable. Ooh, okay, this is good. I mean, like, if you record yourself with this is amazing. I'm gonna be going live more times, you guys. I rarely use my what's it called? I rarely use my Instagram stories for videos because I always have bad lighting, but now this has been solved. Clearly you're gonna be using this, I think, for your TikTok videos and everything. You guys are not on TikTok. Wait, why is it like that? Why is it so wobbly? Like, why is it so wobbly? Hold on, something I'm not understanding. When I put the phone on, I'm not going to rotate like this. When I put the phone on, it's wobbly. You see? You see that? So I don't know. Is it the weight? Is it? Oh, it's fine. So yeah, you'll be like, hey yo, what you doing? So yeah, it's actually time to test it out and see if it lights. So let me get me an extension and plug it in. Oh my god, sorry. Okay, so you guys, I brought the extension, so we're gonna try to plug it in to see if it's working. People want to know how much this cost me. This cost me, not actually me, but me and my brother, because we put money together. It cost us 160,000 Uganda shillings, which is how many dollars? Actually, don't know how many dollars that is. It's on. You guys, it's lighting. It works, guys. And you can increase the brightness, and oh, it actually has mods. So this is actually a white, this is a yellow, and then this is a creamish something, I think. Yeah, so I think the mods are let me put for you guys to see. I think this is when you want something that is like an outdoor look or something like that. And I think this white, no, that's white. So I think this is when you want something like beauty and you want something like to articulate. And then this is like when you just want to speak about something and you don't want a lot of emphasis or something. And then it has this, so I'm controlling everything. This is why you increase the brightness, and this is why you reduce, and this is why you change the mods. It's actually good. Thank you, the hub, that's how I bought it. And then this is our on and off. So let me try putting on the phone and see if there is a difference. Okay, you guys, there's a difference in this picture, I swear to God. Like, I wish I could show you guys in this phone, but it has like the worst camera. But yeah, you guys, there is a difference. And then let me try to change the mode. The picture does change, you guys. The picture does change with the mode. So this is actually good. I would recommend any YouTuber, TikToker, even if you just love to live stream on your social media platforms, to get you one of these. Thank you very much. I'll be linking any links that you guys may need in the description. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. We're just trying out the ring light, guys. It's amazing. It's good. Thank you, guys.